my people right up here already. The crab man.
Yeah, man.
Ladies them mad about that something.
Yes. Girl, them food.
Crab.
Yeah. Never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
True.
You notice it?
Yeah.
Wagwan got pitney.
So Wagwan for answer them.
See crab them?
Yeah.
They have 250, 300, 350, 400 and 500 for them big one.
Oh, where I say?
In iPad, come look.
You're crabalicious, man. When
Yes. You do it well, mate.
Yes, man. So them leave your back and leave.
Pimento.
Ah.
Bad spice.
I like the thing, man. I like the thing, man.
Yeah, man.
Pimento leaf that in I grab.
Yeah, man.
See them, my people. Pimento leaf, man. Cooking crab with pimento leaf.
Yeah, man.
It's come like a pot soup you can drink right now. With a flavor of the pimento leaf. Yes, man. Yes. Alright, man. Right, man. Big one inside that. Big one that. Alright. Alright. Yeah, how do you think? You see them, man? Real hustle up on the street, I feed the food. Yeah. Right under the apple dream there. What a priority, I said. Come on, man.
Yeah, man. 30 years, me have been cooking crab.
Talk to me, what you say?
30 years, my brother.
I cook crab?
Yes.
Right, that's all?
Right, yes, sir.
One of them prayers.
Hot and spicy, yes. Own the crab man in Jamaica. Check it out.
Right, that's all?
Yes, right, yes. And the more you smile, the less you pay. Price go down today, you know what I mean?
I just see what them say. And a long time I did, see?
You can cook crab, I mean.
Yeah, my baby right up here already. The crab man.
Yeah, man.
Ladies them mad about that something.
Yes. Girl, them food, man.
Crab.
Oh my. So we're in my bay today. Yeah, in my bay. The hip strip, as they call it. Oh, is it not? It's not called the hip strip anymore. It's called what's it called? Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. Say hi to the people, them.
One of them prayers, my people.
Hey everybody, yeah. So as you probably would have seen, we're in Mo Bay. We're gonna go over to where are we going? Fairview?
Yeah, Fairview.
Fairview. They've got like loads of like malls and shops over there. We've kind of driven through one time already.
Yeah.
One long time, but we haven't been over there. So I want to have a look over there. And stuff, so we're gonna go over there. Yeah. Or Maxi. Oh, I've got to go over there. I bet I've got to go Maxi. Yes. So guys, we're in Fairview and it's just like roads and roads full of shops. So look here, so many different shops. And then how many like different roads are there?
Crazy ones.
4, 5, 6 different roads are just full of little plazas and shops. But there's another singer over there.
Oh yes. You want to go over there?
Loads of little.
First? Oh, you want to go there? We're going to stop for short business. Then we can ask the king where we are about.
I want to see Maxi though, because I want to see their home stuff in there. Proactive lifestyle, health and wellness over there. This I want to go Maxi and Singer as well.
Each other.
Yeah. First up. Where is this? We're in Maxi. Maxi in my bay. So I'll put in some of these things. These are nice. They're planters, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like these. 50% off as well. Look at them. These are nice. You don't like these though? You like these? We were talking about planters.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Big one of those.
You and your gardening area. Hey, morning. Yeah, just looking around at the minute. Okay. Thank you. I got some nice little bits and pieces. Oh look. People, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. I love these. Hey, these are the stuff I'm talking about. Like the square ones. Ottoman and stuff. But you don't think? Yeah. Hey. Yes, thank you. Look at this nice picture. There's a lot of little different nice things in here. Yeah, they do lots of nice little things in here. These are the pictures we're talking about. We saw something like this in Fontana, in Kingston. But these are the pictures we like.
Black people.
Yeah. What do you say, babes?
Black people. Yeah. Really tough.
Yeah. Nice. How much are they? How much are they, babe? Can you check the price?
20% off.
What's the price? What's the price?
What I'm looking for now.
Here, look.
4,700.
Not bad, isn't it? For that one. 4,007. Not bad. 4,007 people. Babe, like all these or like these? You know that space under the stairs?
Yes, ma'am.
That'd be nice there. Couple a big one and a small one. What do you think, Pete? Yeah, not bad. I'm impressed. That's a nice one as well. That's a nice picture. Hey. Yes, thank you. Yes, thanks. Yeah. That's part.
And just remember we have the promotion going on, so the 20% off. And we do have selected items that are marked down beyond that, like 50%.
Okay.
Right?
Okay,
If you
okay,
need help
excellent.
over here.
Will do. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir.
These are nice though. Oh my god. People, I'm in heaven because I love furniture stuff. Look at all these. Yeah, this is my life. Maxi Mobe. Yes. Yes. Mobe, I think I have to come to get my stuff. Yeah.
See what's going on, huh?
It's a bit blurry, sorry, because of the light. But we just came out of Singer. I didn't video in there, but guys, I'm realizing that the stores here, like the Singer and the Maxi, are a lot bigger than the other ones. Well, especially the ones in Ochi anyway, and they have a lot more variety. So even in Singer, they had a lot more sofas and dining table sets than what we showed you guys in the Ochi one. So the Maxi, oh my gosh, yeah, I was in heaven with all the house stuff in there. So I think we have to come back to Mobe and yeah, have a good look really. But yeah, let's see what else there is. A little more that I wanted to see. So a few things there.
Well, yeah, man, inside is too boat.
Yeah. Icon Fairview Mall. Icon Fairview Mall.
No entrance.
Yeah. So it's a bit fancy in here, isn't it? You come in, you got the leather seat.
Alright. Yes. Beautiful.
I'll just sit there. You can go around. I'll just stay there. Come meet me back here when you finish.
Who's there, sir?
Meet me back here when you finish.
Okay.
Then you got fashion shops and something with flawless. Nice, isn't it?
Nice.
Nice. The pharmacy. It feels like somewhere abroad. You know, like one of them foreign malls.
Yeah, man. Not bad.
Very nice. Nicely put together.
Aren't these the one though?
Grand piano. Can you play piano? How do you say you're a music man? I can't play piano.
Yeah, different different roll up in and
So this is it from up here. Yeah. Oh, not bad. Oh, shoes. Shoes. People, shoes is what I love as well. Yes. So we're at, what's this? Oh, you can see the flight, you can see the planes coming in. You see? How much is it? $20 per hour. Hi.
Good afternoon. Welcome to About Beach Park. How are you all doing this afternoon?
Good, thank you.
First time over here?
Yeah.
Oh, welcome. Happy to have you over here. Just to let you know the rules of the park. No weapon, no glass bottle, no smoking is allowed inside. Okay. Right here we do hand sanitizing and temperature check. We ask the persons wear the mask as much as is possible.
Okay. Can you be on camera?
yeah, seriously now, does it?
Yeah, so no weapon, no glass bottle, no smoking allowed inside. Here we do hand sanitizing and temperature check. Please?
Where's the camera, Miss Smith?
No, it's not allowed over here, sir. Sorry about that.
Alright.
Alright, because it's a family-oriented park,
Sure.
we ask to keep as sterile as is possible.
I
Alrighty?
understand that.
So that's why we do no smoking here, no weapons, You're supposed to be as safe as
Of
possible.
course.
No glass bottle because the glass bottle is also a weapon.
Yes.
All
So
right.
can I get something drink? Can I get something to drink over there?
Sure, we got shops over here.
Okay.
You buy your food, you buy your liquor, you buy your
Okay.
drink, whatever
Okay,
you want.
okay.
If you buy a glass bottle liquor, you pour the liquor in a plastic cup,
Right.
plastic container, and you get it to drink.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay.
The glass bottle will not be given to you.
Okay, no problem. No
All right.
problem. That's fine.
So let me do some
Temperature
sanitizing,
check?
please.
Yeah.
No, I think this gun is gonna give me hot temperature. Alright, it's good enough.
Yeah.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Where parking going on?
Alright, $200 per hour for parking
Uh-huh.
or $700 for the day. You pay
Why you have to not live down here, man? Yeah, bad so.
you pay right on the chain there.
Yeah.
If you give it to me, I'm gonna tell you thanks because I take it as a tip.
Me understand.
Okay.
Alright, no problem. Me like your style. Me like your
Yeah.
style.
So yeah, we're in Harmony. What's it called?
Harmony Park.
Harmony Park, Montego Bay. It's really beautiful over here. You heard all the rules and regulations that the man said.
Yes.
Whole heap of things you can't do, but it's a beautiful place.
Yes.
So yeah, let me show you around. It's lovely.
Nice.
We're gonna take a little walk around and see. There's
Yeah.
shops here and all kind of things. So yeah.
And just spend a couple $1 billion, so I can see it.
You hear me? Gosh.
Last year, it's on hot.
Yeah, wow. Got this green space, and I think, let me see. Here it is, Harmony Beach. I think there's free Wi-Fi here as well, I think. Yeah. I think we go around this way, love. Is that police? Ah,
I scan the bar.
yeah, nice. It's nice though, isn't it? You can use the beach. And you don't pay to come in. If you're walking in, you don't pay to come in. You just pay your little parking. We pay $200 for an hour or $700 for the day. So it's not bad. Not badly priced. Yeah, nice. Looks nice, isn't it? Picturesque. White sand.
I can't take the sun east, brother.
You can't take the sun.
The sun hot right now, I burn up. Right now, I burn up my people.
Find one cool shade.
No cushion down, sir.
You don't feel that nice sea breeze. What are you talking about?
You're mad, man. You're not doing that, deep.
The people just, but yeah, it's nice. I think this is nice, and it's nice that local people can kind of somewhere nice like this to come to. Yeah, a lot of the times you see these beautiful things, it's just for tourists, right?
Yeah,
but this is nice that local people, everyday people, local people can come and enjoy such a nice facility. You know, you can come and chill on the beach, and it's well maintained, and they've got green space.
Yes, sir. So that is I think what is that?
Restrooms.
Restrooms.
Well, that's just
wash
one of
up
them.
and-
You wash up, yeah.
Yeah. Don't pass the food place there.
Yeah, there's places you can buy food and drinks here as well.
Of course,
It's
of
nice
course,
just for a
well.
little day out, innit, with a family picnic, the beach. It'd be nice to bring the kids up here.
Yeah.
They'd love this beach, wouldn't they?
Where's the go-kart place there?
And the go-kart place. Yeah, go-kart and this for the day. Innit? The little shops and stuff. Look, little kiosks, as we call them. There's got burgers and sweets and all kind of different sort of things. We've got places where you can play basketball and tennis court and all of that.
Right along the way,
Yeah.
you have left yard. Them there? So them on them work. Look out. Watch the children, them and watch the people. God good, give us a drink, brother.
Alright, give thanks.
Thank
give
you,
thanks.
thank you. Yeah, he was, like we said, he was very helpful. And yeah. So, you know, we have to show our appreciation when we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, he explained everything and very helpful. He's a good representation
Yeah, man, good you that
for
man.
this for the Harmony
Want
Beach.
quite a few more of them for them gates to talk to
Yeah,
people and
yes.
represent themselves.
Yeah,
and
not
represent.
everybody. Sometimes you find not everybody knows how to deal with people,
No, sir.
but he was very, you
Yes.
know, he dealt with us very, very
Good
nice.
you that man, respect
So,
him. So
yeah.
make him have a drink in the sun.
Yeah,
Yeah, if I have $2 now, I think you can drink.
yeah.
You go and carry one later.
Anchor. So, guys, we're going to stop at this place called Anchor Seafood. Oh, is it Seafood Bar and Grill? See it there? Yeah. So we found this little place the other day, right?
Yeah.
And we found this place the other day. We were up here doing some work, and we stopped at this little place, and we really liked it up here, and Outlaw wanted to come back, so yeah, we are here. It's a nice little place, restaurant and bar. They do good food in here as well. Yeah.
Yeah, and them good in everything.
Yeah.
Anchor seafood bar and grill restaurant. One special, right in a small foot. So people have said it named Lilliput. What we call it small foot. Yeah. This restaurant is right across from Iberia Star. Right across from Iberia Star. Main road. Right there, see? Right there is Iberia Star. So this restaurant is right across from it. Here it is. Anchor. The anchor. Right there. That's the anchor. Nice restaurant, you know. Like it. Like a whole lot thing about it. Spaces you can eat and these across here.
Not yet, here's the 55. People, I want to order this one, this from Grand Place. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. So, this is the menu. We're getting homestyle chicken. Outlaw decides he wants this. People, when's the last time you had this turkey neck? Have you ever had it before? Turkey neck. In a poor man's oxtail.
Only one turkey neck we have available.
Yeah, that's only one turkey neck we need.
So one turkey neck, one homestyle?
One turkey neck, two homestyle.
No, one turkey neck, one homestyle we have available.
One curry chicken then.
One curry chicken?
One curry chicken, one homestyle, one turkey neck.
So where then I'm big up where they? Anchor's Island Seafood Bar and Grill.
Say proper please.
Anchor's Island Seafood Bar and Grill.
Another prayer.
In Lilliput, right across from Iberia Star.
Wicked. Yeah, that my people. You go with them, man. It's nice on that side.
You want a drink?
And that's Iberia Star across the road. Yeah, after. My people, I soon come back to you. I go on that side of us. Talk to me.
You can go upstairs and check. We have baby shower preparing up there.
Yeah? All these things upstairs?
Yeah.
Another prayer. Baby shower is going on right here. Right at this present moment. So we're setting up all these things. Balloons and all these things. Beautiful place. From right here, that's the view we get from right here. Right across, Iberia Star. Right here in Rosal, Lilliput. Food ready for people, so she grab me food. My food that can come across the beach here. We need a strong drink, you know.
Strong drink?
Yes, we have strong drink.
African?
With?
African?
With?
With something?
That's a lot of strong, you know. Good.
Curry. The homestyle.
The people. The field.
This is the turkey neck.
Yes.
So people, I couldn't wait for mine. I'm going to eat mine straight away. Outlaw's driving. He's not quite ready for his yet.
No, we're not ready for that yet.
But
tell them the people.
I had to start mine straight away. And guys, the food tastes good. We've had their food twice before, so we know the food tastes good. So
beautiful.
Whenever you are in Montego Bay, go to Anchor Seafood and Grill.
Right at Lilliput.
Right in Lilliput.
Right across from
Iberia Star Hotel.
Nice.
So yes, people, make sure that you go to Anchor Seafood Bar and Grill in Lilliput, right opposite Iberia Star.
Right, the same thing there.
Yeah, the food's shot, food sell off. Food
move like
good.
bullet between my people. I don't know about something, man.
Yeah, as you would have seen, we got the curry chicken, the home style, which is like kind of brown stew, and the turkey neck. Every one of them is good.
Nice people, not to say food, eat
Anchor,
good, everything good about it.
Anchor in Lilliput, opposite Iberia Star Hotel in Montego Bay. Go and check them out.
Them thing good run them, man. Them shot like bullet. I tell you, check them. Nice people, them good run there. Everything good about it.
Yeah.
Place clean, ambience nice. Anglo no business. That me say.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.